Welcome to our HTML5 and CSS course series tutorial 2, and today welcome back. As I just said, now today we'll be looking at HTML text editors. And if you're new here, this is Armstrong Computers channel, and I'm your host, Prince Armstrong. Today, as I just said, we'll be looking at HTML5 and CSS tutorial, more or less HTML text editors. And now the first text editors I'm going to talk about, the first text editor I'm going to talk about is what is Notepad++. Notepad++. Now Notepad++. Now it's also a text editor. It's very user friendly and easy to use. And the question here is that how can you download a Notepad++? Okay, let me show you how to download your Notepad++. So as you see, this is your Notepad++. You can just go to notepad-++.org, or you can just hit your Google and just type Notepad++. As I just said, I believe in the link in the description below, where you can just click on the link and just get your Notepad++. So anytime you go to Notepad++, at the end of the day, this is to be the home page. This is how it's going to look like. Just come to the download button. When I click on the download button, to just load for you, and then to open the download versions for you. And then at the end of the day, just come to where we have the download called download Notepad++ version 8.4.6, any which one, any version that you are okay with. But I prefer using the version 8.4.6. I love using that one. So just click on it. When you click on it, it opens, and then you scroll down here, you just click on download, and you wait for a while, and the download will begin here. Let's wait for it for a while. You can see the download started beginning. So basically, that is Notepad++ I would recommend for you as a beginner, and also throughout this course. If you want a text editor to use, you can choose to use the Notepad++. I just said I'm going to recommend 4 text editors that I think they are okay for you to use. And also at the end of the day, I'm going to just tell you the best one among them. They are all good, but the best among them also as well. So that is how you can download your first text editor, known as what, Notepad++. Let's look at the second one. Okay, so the second text editor I'll be introduced or recommended to you is known as Sublime Text. Sublime Text. Now Sublime Text is also a text editor, very user friendly, and I love Sublime Text so much. I don't know why, I just love Sublime Text, and it's a user friendly. And if you are new here, thinking of how to get the Sublime Text, how you can download with Sublime Text, you don't, all the text editors I'm recommending to you don't need to pay anything. They are just free to download. You also just click on the link, click on the link in the description below to just download them free, of course. That is just that. So Sublime Text, let me show you how to download Sublime Text. Okay, so this is your site for Sublime Text. You see we have sublimetext.com. so I'll leave a link there. You just click on it. So when you click on Sublime Text, you can see here we have the buy. You can buy, but hey, we are not buying, it's free. We are downloading it free, so you don't want to buy anything. So you also just come to where we have download for Windows. It's for Linux. You can see your Linux, Mac, and then so on, and Windows as well. So we are downloading for Windows. So just click on download for Windows, and then you wait for a while. You can see the Sublime Text will start downloading. It will not take, to just take a second, and then it is done. You can see that it has finished downloading. So I can just go to my downloads and open it, and then install it for free. Just click on next, and then just install it. So that is how you can just download the Sublime Text, and it is free. You don't need to pay anything. So that is one text editor I'll recommend that is very good. You don't need to pay anything, it's free. Just download it and start designing your first web page. Now let's look at the next and the newest and the surprising text editor I would like to recommend to you, okay, as a beginner. So the third text editor I would like to recommend is called Atom, as ATOM, Atom. Now this is also a newest and also user friendly. It's not that difficult, and it is very interesting. The last time I used it, I was so, it is so nice, and it's user friendly, but it is good. You can just download it and then start using it to write your first code of line or more or less to design your first web page. And let me show you how to download it. So as you can see, this is Atom page. As I just said, I'll be leaving the link in the description below, where you can see the Atom page also as well. So this is it. You can see it here. This is Atom. So to download it, as it's open this way, just come to this side, and it's for Windows, and it's both 64 bits for Windows 7 and less or above, any which way. So just click on download. You wait for a while, and the Atom will start to download. You can see that the atom starts downloading. So this is another text editor that is user friendly. You can just download it and start using it to write your first code of line, also to design your first web page. So that is Atom for you. That is ATOM. You can just, I'll leave the link in the description where you can just get it for free. You don't need to pay anything. So if you want to go to Atom, just go to atom.io. atom.io. You don't need to sign up, just download it and it's for free, and you just install it and start using it. Okay, so basically that is just that. So let's look at our fourth how do you call it, text editor that I'll recommend to that I think is too dear to my heart. Is called Visual Studio Code. Okay, Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code, in which way. That's the fourth more or less text editor that I think is very good. And if you're out there, I'd like you to just grab and just download Visual Studio Code to write your first code of line, or more or less to design your first web page. It comes with some series of plugins that you can just install. If you are writing a Python code, you can just use it. Any code of line, you can just use it as far as strong values are concerned. So Visual Studio is very user friendly and also very interesting. Now let me show you how to download Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio Text Editor. Okay, so as you can see, this is my Visual Studio Code text editor. So anytime you hit, you can just go to visualstudio.com or code.visualstudio.com, and then it will just open for you. Then you also to just look through here and just click on where we have download for Windows. Just click on it and then it will open a page. Don't do anything. As you open a new page for you, just relax and then the download will just begin. Remember, we click on the Atom, so the Atom is still downloading. So as I just click on the Visual Studio, let's wait for a while and then it will just open a new page. Don't click anywhere and the download will just begin. So but as I just said, Visual Studio is kind of a text editor that is dear to my heart, and I think you should just use it. But hey, this tutorial, this course, we are going to just look at how to use, how do you call it, one of the text editor to just to design a whole web page, which is very user friendly, and I hope you guys will enjoy using these text editors. But for me, I will recommend to you, as I just said at the end of the course or this introduction, I'm going to just recommend to you best text editor that you should use is Visual Studio. And Sublime Text, yes, Sublime Text is also kind of, see it, I started downloading already. Sublime Text is also kind of user friendly. I love Sublime Text and I love it so much. But I started using, how do you call it, Visual Studio. I realized that Visual Studio is kind of something very interesting. Comes with some series of plugins and it's so interesting. I like the way, I mean, the code of line is so colorful than, how do you call it, the Sublime Text. But hey, using Sublime Text is also not bad. You can just use the Sublime Text, or you can choose to use the Visual Studio Code, as I just tell you. So basically that is just that is all for today. As I'm going to show you how to download these text editors without paying. Nothing is free. You can use them to write your first code of line, or to just design your web page. Thank you so much. As I just said, my name is Prince Armstrong. Catch you in the next course video. Bye bye.